Hi, students. I wanted to reteach how to plot decimals, how to especially plot decimals that are to the hundredth. That can be really confusing, so I want to review this for you before you get into your Pearson practice buddy for today. Okay, so I'm going to use this reteach to build understanding page to really dive into this. Okay, so vocabulary. The units between two consecutive whole numbers on a number line. That means two numbers in a row. Represent decimals. On the number line below, there are 10 sections between 0 and 1. Each equal part is 1/10, or 0.1. So an easy way to remember is how many parts are there between 0 and 1? 10. Each one is a tenth. So 10, 10th, 10, 10th to help you remember. Okay, so looking at this number line, I can see it is broken down by tenths. I see a point A and a point B. Write the decimal for point A. Well, that's pretty easy because I can see right here, A is at 0.2, 2/10. So let's go ahead and fill in that answer. 0.2. Oh, let me write 0.2. And point B. Point B is right here. And point B is located on which tenth? It is located at 7/10 or 0.7. All right, we're definitely getting the hang of it. The second number line below shows the interval between 0.5 or 5/10 and 0.6 or 6/10. There are 10 equal parts between each tenth. Each section is 1/100th or 0.01. So that is how we write out 1/100th in decimal form. So here I've got 0.5, here I've got 0.6 or 6/10, and these gray lines, this kind of gray shape here is showing me everything that's between 5/10 and 6/10. So it's broken down into 10 sections once again, 0.50, 0.51, 0.52, etc. So I have 2 points on it. I've got C and I've got D. So we're going to write the decimal for these guys. I can see that C is at 0.53. What's another way of saying 0.53? It's 53 hundredths. And point D, 0.56. What's another way of saying 0.56? It's 56 hundredths. Okay, so this was a quick review, but please let me know if you have any other questions.